Hey dreamers and purpose seekers, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to access my new coaching program called Coaching for Someone Who. This is a 13 module and will continue to expand over time. It's a 13 coaching module set that is broken into 2 volumes. This is the complete set. So when you go to the link in the description, you're going to either go to this page or the next page that I'm going to show you in a second. But as you scroll down, you can select each individual module separately to purchase your own copy of that particular module. If there's a module that stands out and you only want to get one, maybe just trying to not spend as much up front, you want to test the waters, you can do that. Or if you feel like you're really ready to go all the way in, go full steam ahead, you can buy the complete set. So there's volume 1, volume 2. This is the complete set. As you scroll down, it'll tell you the description about the product. Some of the key features is that it's short and time saving. It really is bite-sized coaching. I wanted to make sure that I created something that was powerful but yet very easy, simple, and not time consuming. I really wanted to make sure that I kept respect of your time in mind when I created this product. It's also audio and PDF format, so you can listen to it while on the go or you can read it at your convenience. It also has quick action steps that you can apply immediately. There are some really insightful things in this coaching program that help you break through some of your fears and also gives you the power, the tools to basically apply right there in the moment and start changing the outcome of your life, your goals, your challenges. There's also a free bonus offer. Every volume 1, volume 2, or the complete set comes with a bonus offer of free access to Pocket Coach. Pocket Coach is your on-the-go coach that you can ask any questions. It'll help you with life coaching and public speaking tips. So just ask it any questions to get started. It is totally free and included with the complete set. You'll love it. It's operated by ChatGPT. Make sure that you sign up for a free account. So inside this volume 1 and 2 combo, volume 1, as you can see, you have mindset, personal growth, public speaking, business and brand growth, content creation for the social media influencers like myself, social media fatigue. We also have something to help you with negativity in the news and media. God knows that we need it. Volume 2, there's the need for control. So we talk about that. We talk about the leadership and influence, work-life balance, emotional intelligence and relationships, accountability, overcoming narcissism, and overcoming blocks, fears, and insecurities, and self-sabotage. That's a very popular module. Actually, all of these are very popular. And you want to make sure that you get a copy as soon as possible because we're going through some really rocky times, and why not have your own coaching guide at your disposal anytime, anywhere. They're, again, short practical lessons. The audio guides are awesome. It helps. And then you got a free, basically, life coach and public speaking coach in your pocket. Now, if you're not sure of what this really is and you're not sure of what module fits you, then I have this option for you too. On this page, there is this button that says Coaching Module Finder. If you select that option, it's going to take you to ChatGPT. This is where you need to have that free ChatGPT account. And it's going to take you here. You're going to see that there are pre-populated questions. So you could type in anything. Now, don't worry, I can't see anything that you type in. There's no tracking history of things that are entered. I don't see any of that information. It's completely secure. So let's say that I am struggling with, let's say, work-life balance, okay? And what this will do is it will generate the corresponding Coaching for Someone Who module and topic that will help you in whatever challenge that you type in. So for this case, when you're struggling with work-life balance, it recommends that you check out the work-life balance and productivity module. And the topic that might be closely related to your struggle is coaching for someone who struggles to balance their career and personal life. Now, it gives you insight on mindset and behaviors. So you can see you feel guilty taking breaks, neglect personal relationships, and struggle to disconnect from work, believing that rest means falling behind. Then it talks about the fears. The fear that might be standing in your way, which is the fear of falling behind. You equate constant work with success, making it difficult to step away without anxiety. So if you want to learn more by clicking on the module link. So when you do that, you select that. It'll take you to the actual module that it's recommending, and then you can go ahead and select that, say I want this, boom, put it in your shopping cart, continue shopping, or go ahead and make your purchase. Once you make your purchase, you're going to get a wonderful email that's going to tell you that you bought Coaching for Someone Who, and then whichever module or bundle that you purchase. And there will be a option to view content. Okay, so you want to make sure you look out for this email. If you are asked to sign up for, because I've already done it here, I can't really demonstrate it here, but in the email, Gumroad is going to ask for you to sign up. So you're going to need to sign up. It's a free account, again, free, to access the product. So once you do that, you could do it through the email. If not, if you go to this email, you go to view content, it's going to take you to the content, which will, boom, bring you to either the app or the web page. Okay, the web page will try to redirect you to the app. So ultimately, you'll probably end up at the app. This is where it is in your library. You'll start to see however many products you purchase. They'll show up here. You click on it, and it's going to take you into the program. So once you get access to the content, it's going to bring you to this introduction page. You scroll through, you can see the lesson titles for this module. There's some additional information here, and then you're looking for this drop down where it says module 10 or whichever module that you purchase, and then boom, it's a drop down. So the cool thing is that you can listen directly from the app, or you can download. You can also read your PDF, because remember I said it's audio and PDF. You can read it directly from the app, send it to Kindle, or download. Now that you have access, let's take a look at the coaching lesson. So again, you have two different options for each topic, the audio version and the PDF version. The audio version isn't an exact copy of the PDF. It's not like I'm reading the PDF to you. So you want to make sure that you listen to the audio and also read the PDF. Let's try someone who has difficulty reading social cues. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on read, and it's going to open the PDF. This one says coaching for someone who has difficulty reading cues. So then we look at the mindset and behavior. You miss subtle signs in social interactions leading to misunderstandings. And then it talks about the fear. Fear of embarrassment. You avoid social situations, fearing you'll say or do the wrong thing. And then on the next few pages, it gives you an exercise. For this particular topic, the social awareness skill set, you want to master body language, tone, interpretation, active listening skills. So it gives you a challenge, and then it gives you some steps on some things that will help you overcome this issue, to improve on this issue. So you want to make sure that you do the work and that you spend the time really applying the things that you learn from this, because it really will help you. And there's plenty of topics. I am going to continue to expand on the topics as time goes on. So if you purchase a copy and you really love the coaching modules, you will receive some updates in the future. So make sure that you keep that in mind as well. Make sure that if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or just need technical support, to contact Dream to Inspire LLC using the contact email in the description. I truly believe that this product will help you overcome many challenges and struggles in your life. With so many topics ranging from mindset to business and brand growth to emotional intelligence to overcoming fears, blocks, and insecurities. This program covers so many different valuable topics that will help you through many day-to-day situations in your life. I hope this really helped you understand how to not only just search for a coaching module that helps you, but also that you find the value in this for yourself and that you share this with your friends and family. And let me know your opinions if you really think that this was helpful for you. And I would love to cater more content to your specific needs. I also will be adding more topics and possibly modules as time goes on, but definitely topics to the current existing modules. So if you purchase, you get lifetime updates as long as you are, still associated with the product on Gumroad. It's time to work on your purpose. Let's go.